I think in terms of new innovations, for next season you mean? Oh, got it, okay, fine. Sure. I think that the pandemic is something that really taught us about how much time we spend in our homes. Right now we're so hectic and running around, but I'm sure that there are so many things that sitting at home you figured out for yourself and you did a hack for yourself, and if it worked for you, then that's an invention you should bring to the Inventor Challenge and share it with everyone. Hi, I'm Malini Agarwal. I am the founder of Miss Malini Entertainment and co-founder of Good Creator Co. There's so many inventions that come in day out, but I think the ones that make our lives simpler, and when it solves a simple need or a problem that is an everyday concern that may not be life-changing or something that alters the world in a significant way, but makes your life even just a little bit easier. Something that helps you in save a little bit of time, or helps you achieve something that maybe you aren't super skilled at. And especially the ones that we saw on this show were exceptional, because I can't cook at all. And just the idea of having a machine that can do it all for me and I don't have to stand next to it in the kitchen is mind-blowing. So I think for me, some gadgets that make my life easier, definitely my phone, that's one of the easy ones. But aside from that, things you can't live without, right? My tea and my coffee. So my kettle is a big one that makes my life much easier. I also love mood lighting, so those dimmers that you get in the house. Big fan of those because I don't like bright white lights. And aside from that, just fun things that you can entertain with. I love games that are gadgety as well because I'm a big board game freak. I have to say without a doubt that tech has made my life easier. We might feel that there's lots more gadgets, but it actually changes so much that we would manually do. Even from having to remember phone numbers for years and years, now you don't really need to do that anymore. Being able to do everything on one click, whether it's something in your home or whether it's a gadget at work, gadgets have really simplified our lives. I think maybe we're spending too much time, screen time, but that's on us, not on the gadgets. I saw such incredible inventions on all the episodes. I was so impressed, especially by the range and just the way that people had evolved in thinking. You had RoboCook, like I said, is one of my favorites for sure. Whether someone was tired of standing in line, so he made a wearable chair. Or there was a girl who was tired of feeling hot in her room and said, why is my AC not cooling? And then actually did something about it and tried to find a solution and created an invention. So I was really impressed with the range. All of them were absolutely fantastic. I think it's incredible that we saw their prototypes, and I think that really makes the dream come to life because it's an idea in your head, but when you see it physically and you can touch it, I was so excited, so I can just only imagine how they feel. So what I would love to see in the next stage of inventions in season 2 is even more future forward thinking. Whether it's the sustainability or the fact that we are going into more wearable tech, how our homes are going to become even cooler. I mean, who knows, somebody can come up with an idea for a flying car, And there are some things that still I can tell you I struggle with. So if you're listening, inventors, find me a solution. Whenever I go to get my hair washed, my neck hurts. Is there something that I can wear on my neck that's comfortable? I sit in hair and makeup for hours in a day, and I keep talking about this movie, The Fifth Element, where she just puts on this eye mask and her makeup is done. Some things can be really simple, but some things can be groundbreaking, and we never thought that we'd be flying in planes, so the sky is really the limit for you. So if you ask me how Miss Malini makes your life easy, I think it makes your life more fun. I think Miss Malini started 14 years ago where there was no concept of social media influencer or content creator. So I guess the way that I would say we've played a role is to impact a whole industry, and I'm very happy and proud to have been someone who sort of carved that. And I love to see that there are 46 million content creators now in our country alone, and I hope we had a little bit to do with that inspiration, just like all the inventors on this show. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss an update on the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.